Find features that differentiate it from other brands for MAUDOE, 12-inch, telescoping cordless chainsaw. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Installation and startup. Insert the chain into the guide rail, with the blade facing the front end of the guide plate, insert it into the sprocket, and lay the guide plate flat. Cover the guide plate cover, rotate the adjustment knob until the chain is properly tensioned, and then tighten the fixing screws. Unlock the brake pad by pulling it back, then press and hold the safety switch plus trigger. After the motor starts, release the safety switch, only the trigger controls the speed. 2-in-1 chainsaw with extendable pole. This 12-inch electric chainsaw features a telescopic handle that extends up to 3.5 feet, letting you safely trim high tree branches without a ladder. It easily converts to a handheld pole saw for ground cutting, firewood splitting, and garden pruning. One tool handles all your outdoor cutting needs. Upgraded high-performance brushless motor. This telescoping chainsaw 12-inch comes with an upgraded high-quality brushless motor with a rotational speed of 5,000 rpm, providing fast, smooth cutting with less noise and longer service life. It runs stably and can cut up to 15 inches in diameter, easily handling all your cutting tasks in gardens, farms, and forests. 2 pieces 4.0 amp-hour batteries and fast charger. This cordless pole chainsaw comes with 2 pieces 4.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries, delivering 50% higher capacity and 70% longer runtime for uninterrupted cutting work. A clear battery indicator shows remaining power at a glance, while the fast charger greatly reduces charging time for improved efficiency. Automatic oiling system and tool-free chain tension. This chainsaw cordless features an automatic lubrication system. Simply add oil to the tank, close the cap, and start the saw. The chain will self-lubricate during use, effectively extending its service life. The tool-free design also allows you to adjust chain tension quickly and easily without any extra tools. Reliable multiple safety protection. Dual safety lock prevents accidental startup for safer operation. The upgraded widened baffle effectively blocks splashing wood chips. The ergonomic non-slip rubber handle offers a comfortable, stable grip while absorbing shock. The low recoil design reduces kickback, making your cutting work smoother and safer. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.